say goodbye to boring living rooms, I'll show you how to create a jaw-dropping minimalist space that will leave everyone in awe. Welcome back to Visionary Designs. Today, we're breaking the myth that minimalist living rooms have to be dull and lifeless. Stay tuned to discover how you can transform your space into a stunning minimalist haven that's anything but boring. Many people think that minimalist design equates to a lack of personality and interest. The challenge is to maintain the simplicity and functionality of minimalism while infusing it with elements that make the space vibrant and engaging. How do we strike this balance? That's exactly what we're going to explore today. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home design tips and inspiration. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's dive into the key elements that will help you create a minimalist living room that's full of life and character. Use bold accent colors. While a neutral color palette is the foundation of minimalist design, adding bold accent colors can bring a lively energy to the space. Consider throw pillows, artwork, or a statement piece of furniture in vibrant hues. These pops of color can make a significant impact without overwhelming the room. Incorporate textures. Mixing different textures adds depth and interest to a minimalist living room. Think about materials like wool, linen, leather, and wood. A textured rug, a cozy throw blanket, or a leather armchair can make the space feel warm and inviting. Statement furniture. Select a few statement furniture pieces that draw attention. A uniquely designed coffee table, an elegant sofa, or a striking bookshelf can serve as focal points. These pieces should be both functional and visually appealing, enhancing the room's aesthetic. Artwork and decor. Minimalist doesn't mean empty walls. Choose artwork and decor items that reflect your personal style. Large, bold pieces of art, interesting sculptures, or even a gallery wall can add personality to your living room. Greenery. Plants are a fantastic way to breathe life into a minimalist space. Opt for a few large plants or a collection of smaller ones. They add color and texture, and they also improve air quality and bring a touch of nature indoors. Functional storage. Keep clutter at bay with smart storage solutions. Built-in shelves, stylish storage bins, and multifunctional furniture like an ottoman with hidden storage help maintain the minimalist look while ensuring everything has its place. Lighting. The right lighting can transform a room. Use a mix of natural light, ambient lighting, and task lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Statement light fixtures, like a modern chandelier or a unique floor lamp, can also serve as decor. Personal touches. Finally, don't forget to add personal touches. Family photos, travel souvenirs, and items that hold sentimental value make your minimalist living room feel uniquely yours. Now let's take a look at some stunning examples of how these elements come together. Creating a minimalist living room that's anything but boring is all about balance. By incorporating bold colors, varied textures, statement pieces, and personal touches, you can design a space that's both stylish and full of character. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more home design tips. Share your ideas and transformations in the comments below. We'd love to see how you bring life to your minimalist living rooms. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.